Hi everyone, Alex Kennedy here, and this week we're going to be focusing on the exterior of the car. So first, you want to run through our REV car wash and make sure they're nice and dry afterwards. Let's get started. You'll probably need a few microfiber towels for this job, so make sure that you have at least 2 or 3. Then, just make sure that you dry off any wet spots on the outside of your vehicle.
Thank you for joining us this week on Tips and Tricks. I'm Alex Kennedy. Make sure to follow REV Car Wash on all social media platforms. #RevYourRide, and we'll see you next week.